Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a full first impressions and review on the products at Hairfinity. So let's get into it. Hairfinity 3 months ago, and I decided to pick 3 products to sort of test out and review and see if it's actually like a working thing. Like, I see Hairfinity all over Facebook, all over Instagram, and I want to know, does this really work? And short answer, yes it does. So the first product I wanted to try out was the Hairfinity shampoo. As you can tell, I have been using it. This is the Gentle Cleanse shampoo. It says removes build-up without drying with exclusive capsulana complex. So this is a big bottle. It's 355 mils, and I love that the pump just makes being in the shower just so easy. It claims that it is sulfate-free, silicone-free, and paraben-free. I have no way to dispute that it has those things. It says Hairfinity Gentle Cleanse Shampoo is a sulfate-free hydrating cleanser that delivers essential vitamins, minerals, and nourishing botanical extracts, proven to reduce breakage. So for the past few months I've been using this shampoo. I don't use conditioner in the shampoo, and I didn't want to get their conditioner just to use it. I wanted to keep my routine as normal as it would be, just changing it up with the Hairfinity products. I quite like this. The smell is so nice. It doesn't lather up too much, so you don't need to have, like, I use maybe about 5 or 6 pumps just because the amount of product that it distributes isn't a lot in the pump, but I think that's also good, so you're not gonna over have like a handful of product that you need to put somewhere. You know, you can definitely use it based on how much hair you have, how much you need. I really like that pump and how it distributes the product, but overall my hair really has, I don't know if it's a combination of the products I've been using or if it is the shampoo, but my hair is so much more hydrated than it used to be. Like, I could go so long without my hair ever getting greasy just because it was so dried out. And yes, my hair does get greasier a lot quicker with Hairfinity, but I feel like it's because my hair is actually getting the hydration that it needs, and that these oils are coming because my hair is just so hydrated, whereas my hair was so dried out that you wouldn't notice the oils because it was treating the dryness in my hair. But now that my hair is so hydrated, it doesn't need the oils, so it is kind of like producing an excess, or what seems to look like excess oil in my hair, which I think is just my hair getting used to the fact that, wow, I don't need to overload on oil because I've already got this hydration in my hair. And I really do think that the Hairfinity products are hydrating. I have noticed a difference, like the ends of my hair, which I have been treating the Hairfinity Revitalizing Leave-In Conditioner. They are really treating the ends of my hair. They were quite dry. Like, I don't cut my hair very often, and I usually just do like a big chop once a year, like short, and just let it grow throughout the year. Like, I haven't done that chop this year, and it is like my hair has grown so long, it's ridiculous. Like, I need to get to the hairdresser. My hair is just like, I'm almost gonna be sitting on it. Like, this leave-in conditioner smells amazing. Like, it was when I received the package, which took a long time, by the way, so order before you finish. The top of this wasn't quite quite screwed on properly, and a tiny bit had leaked out, and you could smell the aroma of it before you even open the box. And let me tell you, that first impression of the scent, amazing. I was just like, ooh, it smells so good. So this one is the leave-in conditioner. I do prefer to use a leave-in conditioner over one that you would wash out, just because of how much my hair does need the moisture. That just clings to it, leaves weird films, you can't ever wash it out. It's a whole thing. Anyway, I prefer leave-ins. They work over time, make my hair healthier. I love a leave-in conditioner, and this one is no exception. I really do like this one. This claims to be weightless, silicone free, men's split ends. I can guarantee all of those things are true after using this for a couple months. It says Hairfinity Revitalizing Leave-In Conditioner is a weightless, silicone-free formula that preps, restores, and protects the hair from everyday stresses, leaving the hair touchably soft and silky and radiant. Proven to reduce breakage. Spritz wet hair and gently distribute with fingers with a wide tooth comb before styling. Can be used daily. So I basically just use this after getting out of the shower, and I brush my hair, because the only time I can brush my hair is when it's wet, because this curly hair, you cannot brush it when it's dry. It just turns into Guy Sebastian's afro, but blonde. This is an interesting product. It's quite thicker than I'm used to in terms of a leave-in conditioner. Like I use a lot of different leave-in conditioners. I've got my spray ones, which are more misty, and then I've got the pump ones, which I actually lather into my hair with my hands maybe once a week. This one I've been just using like every second day or so, and like just after washing, and I really like it. However, the pump, it's a spray, which is great, but it's so like shooty and direct, and it like leaves, like when you spray it, it's like leaves patches of it because it's not a mist, whereas I'm kind of used to a mist. I know it says to lather it in your hands and then distribute with, and then that's just not how I would use a spray. If it was in a pump, of course, that's how I would use it. I would do it after I've put in my spray leave-in conditioner, and I would lather it up into my hair, into the ends, of course. Like, you don't want any roots, but I still just spray it, I spray a lot into the hair, and then I brush it through like I would my normal spray leave-in conditioners. So far it's been really good. I just think that the spray is a bit too, it's very fast and like forceful and just kind of like a water pistol. But apart from that, like that's something I can really get over. It's the product on the inside that matters. But I really am loving this. Like, it's just so hydrating, and like it smells amazing. My hair, I just love sniffing my hair all the time. I really do like this. My hair has been so much more healthier. Like my ends are no longer dry. They are, you know, shiny and healthy. So really enjoying that one. And the last product I have been trying, which I feel like the results are going to come with some more time. I guess I just don't know if it's been working because I haven't been physically using it. I've been swallowing it, and that is the food supplements. So there's 60 capsules in this one. You're supposed to take 2 a day. I've been taking 1 or 2 depending on how I feel. This is my second container, so this is like 1 month's worth. So I've already used 1 up, and this is the second container. I find these easy. If I don't know how else you can tell with tablets, if this was the only thing you were using and you noticed a difference, awesome. Again, it's not the only product. This is the third product. They're easy to swallow, I guess you could say. They don't taste awful. Yes, vitamins don't have amazing like fruity flavors, but maybe the chewable ones, maybe I'll have to try those ones next. I've seen some good things about those chewable little lolly vitamins. But these ones I find easy to swallow. I compared it to a magnesium tablet, and they legit the same size. It's just a soft gel capsule. Yeah, really easy to swallow, 2 at a time. Like, no complaints in terms of that. I do want to continue using them and see how much they work. I've only got a couple left, so I'm gonna have to place an order real soon. It claims that the biotin in this capsule contributes to maintenance of normal hair. So I think this is just a general like hair vitamin. It says take 2 capsules daily with food, which I've just been taking after eating dinner. So I usually take vitamins at night time. I don't know, I just feel like I'm gonna remember more. Is it from the rush in the morning? Like, I'm not gonna remember. So yeah, after a couple months of using Hairfinity, I have to say it definitely gets a thumbs up from me. I've been really enjoying these products and definitely will be purchasing again in the future. I don't consider them like a scam or like an online thing where it's like a scam, or you know, you're not going to get legitimate products. I do believe that these products are really amazing. I guess you've just got to commit yourself to using them, kind of like languages. If you don't use it, you lose it. So I think you do need to continue using them in order to see the results. Like, I have to say, they smell amazing, they feel amazing, my hair's amazing now. Not that it wasn't, but you know, I've been really enjoying these products and I've been so excited to film this video. I just wanted to make sure that my review was thorough enough and my opinion was solid enough, not just after using them for a week, oh yeah, it's alright, but I'm not sure, like, it's going okay so far. Like, I wanted to make sure that I had a concrete opinion on these products, and I really do believe that they are good quality products that are going to work. Of course, if your hair type is different to me, maybe it might work differently for you, or you might choose different products on their site. But in regards to these 3 products, they have definitely helped my hair. For those of you who are interested, my hair type is quite dry and frizzy and curly. People might not consider my hair to be curly. I definitely do consider my hair to be curly. Like, it only starts at my ears. I have no idea why. My curls only start at my ears, which I don't mind because I don't want an afro. Like, great for those of you who do. I just don't think it would suit myself. But I do like my hair. It's just, it's high maintenance. You can't brush it. It takes like 2 hours to straighten them. When you do, it's still wavy. Like, it's a mane. But my mane has been very happy lately. So, you know, it's grown so much. Like, I need to go get my hair cut. Like, just so then you could see, oh crap, it really is growing really quickly. I should have done some before pictures. I didn't even think about it. I was just so excited to jump in and use the products. But yeah, real thumbs up from me. I really do recommend them, or just at least recommend you checking out their socials or their site just to see what you think of it. I will have everything linked down below, so you can go check that out. Yeah guys, if you have tried Hairfinity, please let me know down below what you thought of the products, what your experience was. Personally, I really enjoy the products and I'm definitely going to continue using them. Of course, sporadically integrating the products I already love, just because I don't want to give up on those products. Like, these aren't the only products I've been using in my hair. Like, I've been using heaps of products, but they are products that I've been using for such a long time already. So I know that when I have seen the difference, it's because of the new products, not because of the products I already use. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.